Hello everyone. We're going to discuss here where clause. Let's try to understand here how the where clause works in data filtering. Where clause filters records only those that meet specified condition. Let's try to understand this statement with the example. This is your employee table. You have IDs, you have names, your department IDs, and you have salaries. Now we are going to see here the syntax, how to apply where clause. First, you have to use the select statement, and after that, you will select columns. Here, we're selecting all columns. After that, you will use your from keyword and you will mention your table name. In our case, it's employees. After that, you will use the where clause. Just write down where keyword, and after that, this is your condition. In this condition, you are mentioning salary should be greater than 60,000. Let's see what are the records whose salary is greater than 60,000. So this is not, this one is greater than 60,000, this one is not, this one is greater than 60,000, and this one is also greater than 60,000. Let's see the results. In our result table, we got the salaries which are greater than 60,000, and these are their IDs. This is how we use the where clause for filtering the records. You can mention any kind of condition, equals to, greater than, or less than.